Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2016 through 2022 and possibly beyond MINI Clubman with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack set of four and the WingBar Evo Load Bars set of two, offered in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of four of these rubber molded base pads and four sets of these rubberized metal brackets, and then four of these fasteners. So these components have numbers that are associated to them, which correspond to numbers that are in the instruction sheet to help guide you in placement on the correct foot. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate that with one of the feet here. So this is the Evo Flush Rail foot. I'll go ahead and remove the outer cover. With that cover removed, you can see we have a threaded post here. So the fit kit components not only have numbers associated to them, but also letters. So for example, the first component to be installed has the letter A. And so we'll go ahead and put that letter A component in place. And then the next component is the rubber base pad, and that's B. So I'll go ahead and just take that and press it to the underside of the foot. And then you have the outer part of the bracket, which hinges to the inner part, and that's C. And then we'll just go ahead and take the fastener and thread that on and hold those parts in place. The next step is to install this onto the load bar. So here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is this dedicated track that's accessed by opening the end cap, allowing you to slide in approved hardware to mount certain accessories directly to the top of the bar for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. I'll go ahead and take off this end cap. With that end cap removed, we can go ahead and slide the foot into place. We'll just slide that into the slot there. Now here on the underside, we have this measuring device with numbers. Now there is no guidance for the number for centering the feet on the bar, so that's something that you would do manually. Okay, when it's time to take this to the vehicle, you first want to reinstall the end cap. So that would help to prevent the foot from sliding off the end of the bar when you're maneuvering this around the vehicle. Okay, so you would set this down onto your side rail, center the load bars, and then you can begin tightening. So you tighten one side about 50%, then go to the other side and finish the tightening. This tool is included with the foot pack, and it has a unique handle on the end, which once you've reached the full 4 Newton meters of tightness, this handle will actually click, indicating that you've reached that full tightness. So I'll go ahead and do that so that you can hear it. Okay, there we've reached that 4 Newton meters, and you can be assured it's on tight. Then you notice on the underside we have this exposed portion of the slot. We'd want to fill that in with rubber that's provided with the load bars to maintain good airflow underneath the bar. Then we can go ahead and return the outer cover back into place just by snapping that on. There is this plastic plug. Give that a quarter turn, that'll hold that cover into place. Though you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule one-key system lock cylinder. These cylinders are sold in sets of 4 so that you can lock all 4 of your feet with one key. That can also be extended out to a 6-pack or an 8-pack or even more matched cylinders, so you can have your roof rack and your carriers all working off the same key for convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2016 through 2022 and possibly beyond MINI Clubman with factory installed flush side rails. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options, and please like and subscribe We have over 2,000 rack-related videos on our channel that may be of interest to you. And if you have any questions or comments about this particular rack system, feel free to leave those down in the comments below. And thanks for watching.